Today we are engaging with Northwest Furniture Bank, and we are putting together some furniture pieces to help individuals that might be houseless. We have partnered with Northwest Furniture Bank to do that with students who are part of the January term course. It's pretty exciting that we have students that are very much interested in not only participating, but understanding and learning what service is all about.
Just because COVID's going on doesn't mean life stops. Everybody's still struggling, and even more now than ever, a lot of people are either houseless or just having to move into a cheaper place. And so it's really important that we continue doing these kinds of things to serve the community in any way that we can, even though it's going to be more difficult.
The direct impact is that the furniture pieces that are being put together will help families in the Tacoma community. And so community members that are either moving into a new apartment or a new house or something that's temporary will have access to chairs and tables, so that way they can actually have dinner, breakfast, lunch, whatever they need to do, for individuals that may not have had that before.
I've loved the partnership that we've had. I love what it brings to both to the Furniture Bank and to the class and the curriculum. So I think it's really fantastic that PLU has reached into the community and offered that resource to their students and that experience and those opportunities. And the same thing for us as an organization. There's another group of people who knows that there's a Furniture Bank in their community and kind of what that does and what service in action does. And I think that's super cool as a learner.
We're part of something that's a lot greater than ourselves. We're just one little piece of the puzzle. It's about stepping away from your individuality and being part of something bigger. It's humbling and understanding that what you're doing, it's serving a way better purpose. And when you do anything with a lot of love, it's going to be worth it.